Hey, I'm Alex with ToolRev, and today I'm putting my Dewalt 60 volt reciprocating saw up against Makita's 36 volt saw. And I also have their 18 volt unit so we can see how the two Makitas compare to each other. Let's take a look. To start, these are all brushless tools with variable speed triggers that go from 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute. The Makitas have two speed settings. Speed 1 goes from 0 to 2,300 strokes per minute. Speed 2 is 0 to 3,000. The Makitas have a 1 1/4 inch stroke length, where the Dewalt is 1 1/8 inch. They all have a toolless blade change, a work light, and a pivoting shoe, but only the Makita 18 volt has an adjustable shoe in or out. And only the Makitas have rafter hooks. With a 6 amp hour battery, the Dewalt weighs 10.2 pounds. With two 5 amp hour batteries, the 36 volt Makita weighs 10.2 pounds also. And with a single 5 amp hour battery, the 18 volt Makita weighs 8.2 pounds. Makita does offer a 6 amp hour battery, which would probably make these saws run a little faster than the 5 amp hour batteries. But Dewalt also offers a bigger battery at 9 amp hours, which would make this one run faster. So we're running all of these with one step below their most powerful batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and put fresh blades on all of these with a fully charged 6 amp hour battery on the Dewalt and fully charged 5 amp hour batteries on the Makitas, so we can make 2 cuts through wood with nails to check for speed, vibration, and overall comfort. So that was interesting. The 60 volt was faster than the 36 volt, which was faster than the 18 volt. Kind of what you'd expect. None of the saws felt underpowered at any time. As far as comfort and vibration, I'd say the Dewalt and the 36 volt Makita are very similar. The 36 volt and the Dewalt have a fair amount less vibration than the 18 volt. They all have a really nice grip and a good blade change mechanism. This is the mechanism for the Dewalts. The Makitas have a chuck that's always in the locked open position, so you can drop in a blade and it locks itself in. It's also spring loaded, so it can spit out hot blades. The Makitas are slightly more well balanced than the Dewalt. That being said, I think the Dewalt is the most powerful, solid feeling saw that I've tested, and I've run it against the Milwaukee, which I did in another review if you want to check that out. As far as between the Makitas, I think the 36 volt is more comfortable, but I like the lightweight, full-featured one battery setup of the 18 volt. And if all these took the same battery and I had to choose one as I was headed out the door, I think I'd probably grab the 18 volt for its lightweight. And I really love the rafter hook. So whichever one you get, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Funny how birds have such skinny legs.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, they're like twins. I guess they don't do a lot of walking.
Yeah, they're pretty lightweight, so they can fly.
That's true.